In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set opening PDF files in Google Chrome without downloading them. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you're juggling between several documents and want to keep your downloads folder tidy. So, let's dive right in. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the newest features and security updates. Once you're in Chrome, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to expand the drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down list, scroll downwards and locate the Settings option. Select Settings and you'll be taken to a new page where you can view and change all of your Chrome settings. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this side menu, find Privacy and Security and give it a click. This will bring you to a page with a whole host of options related to your online privacy and how Chrome handles your browsing data. Here, you're going to find an option called Site Settings. Click on that. Site Settings lets you manage permissions for website data and features you want to enable or disable while browsing. As you browse through this section, look for the PDF Documents section. It's usually found under Additional Content Settings. Once you've located it, click to expand this section. Here lies the key to our goal. You'll see a toggle option called Download PDF Files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. If it's turned on, PDFs will download rather than opening automatically in a new tab. To ensure PDFs open in Chrome, all you need to do is turn this option off. With this setting disabled, any PDF you click on will open directly within Google Chrome. No more messy downloads folder. Everything is streamlined and efficient. Remember, if you ever want to change this back, just toggle the setting again. There you have it. A simple, seamless way to keep your PDF viewing experience efficient and organized in Google Chrome. Feel free to explore more settings if you like, but now you know exactly how to manage PDF files in your browser. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips for optimizing your Chrome browsing experience. Until next time, happy browsing!